getting started. Agos ko, dalawa. Thank you so much, everyone, for coming here. It's an honor to be here with you all today. Thank you for having me. I could not have gone this far without you. So I hope to have inspired everyone. I hope to be part of this community going forward. And I hope